Alright, magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Welcome ulit sa panibagong reaction, video, commentary, opinion, criticism at kung ano-ano pa. So meron tayong mainit na balitang pag-uusapan mga kapatid mula rito sa international news. Nawawala mga tol si Xi Jinping. Yan o, mula rito sa Times of India at saka rito sa WION, meron silang mga balita mga tol. Ang sabi rito sa title, Xi Jinping goes missing. Chinese leader skips BRICS, absent signals power shift in China? Report. Ano sabi rito mga kapatid, dito muna tayo sa Times of India. Absence of Xi Jinping from public view for 2 weeks. 2 linggo nang hindi nagpapakita si Xi Jinping, and during the upcoming BRICS summit has raised question over the possible power shift in China. So speculation na yan mga kapatid. Nagkaroon ng mga katanungan ngayon dito sa bansang China kung magpapalit na ba sila ng liderato. As per media reports, the unexplained absence coupled with reduced media references of the Chinese president is leading to many speculations around his power hold and health. Some reports also say that the Chinese president may be facing some critical illness o baka may sakit siya mga tol, due to which he is not being seen in public. Some reports also indicate that he is not being seen due to the internal party challenges or being deliberately sidelined. Yan ang sabi rito sa Times of India. Sabi naman dito sa WION mga tol, yan na parehong international news to. Chinese President Xi Jinping sudden disappearance sparks rumors o mga usap-usapan of a brewing regime change o yung pagpapalit ng rehimen in Beijing. Is a power struggle unfolding behind closed doors? What does Xi Jinping o absence mean for China's future and global politics mga kapatid? Yan ang ating aalamin, pag-uusapan at bibigyan natin to ng reaction and commentary. Unahin muna natin yung dito sa Times of India mga tol. No, panonoorin natin to, babasahin natin to. Pero bago natin to simulan, syempre wag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka whenever na may mga bago tayong reaction video tulad nito. Alright, so wag na natin patagalin pa, panoorin na natin to mga tol. Bakit nawawala si Xi Jinping? End of Emperor Xi? Katapusan na ba mga tol? Chinese president's disappearance raises questions. Xi Jinping's absence from public view signals power shift. O question yan mga tol, tanong. Papalitan na ba si Xi Jinping? Napakahaba na nito. Pero alam nyo mga tol, parang malabo yun eh. Yung papalitan siya. Hindi ganun kadali yun. Parang ang narinig ko nga sa isang report, parang si Xi Jinping na talaga hanggang mawala siya sa mundo eh. So palagay ko merong isang bagay na dahilan o matinding dahilan kung bakit hindi siya nagpapakita for 2 weeks. Baka meron siyang sakit, baka may karamdaman. Alam niyo, maraming kadahilanan mga tol eh. Pero yung pagpapalit ng liderato parang hindi pa ata. Absence with significance. Why she is skipping BRICS for the first time? For the first time, hindi siya umatin sa BRICS. When BRICS Summit in Brazil opens this Sunday, a key figure will be missing. Xi Jinping yun. Kasi isa siya sa giant country na member ng BRICS eh. Ano-ano ba yung mga BRICS? Ano ba yung mga BRICS? Alam nyo ba kung ano yung meaning ng BRICS? Diba? This is the first time the Chinese president would miss the summit since taking power. The unprecedented no-show is raising questions about China's diplomatic priorities. Analysts claim it possibly blunts Beijing's ability to advance its agenda at the summit. Xi at BRICS will be replaced by Premier Li Qiang. China blamed the absence on scheduling conflict. Sabing ganun, scheduling conflict daw kaya umabsent. Xi absence between May 21 and June 5 set tongues wagging about whether there is a possible realignment of power within the Chinese Communist Party. Sabing ganun mga tol. She is General Secretary of CCP o yung Chinese Communist Party and Chairman of Central Military Commission o yung CMC. So 2 linggo na siyang hindi nagpapakita no? Yung una dun sa BRICS Summit for the first time. Yung BRICS kasi original yan, ilan lang sila dyan. Ngayon marami na sila dun eh. Ang alam ko yung BRICS, yung BRICS, ano yan Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Yun lang yun, no? BRICS. Ngayon kasi nadagdagan pa ng another 5 pa. Nadagdagan sila ng Iran, Ethiopia, United Arab Emirates, ano pa ba yung dumagdag? Yun yung mga Indonesia, meron pang isang nadagdag sa sa BRICS mga tol. Comment na lamang kayo. Basta 10 bansa yan mga tol 10 bansa yang bumubuo sa BRICS. General Zhang Shuxia, first vice chairman of CMC, reportedly holds power in China currently. Ganun? Siya may hawak ngayon ng mga kapangyarihan sa China. Zhang, who is part of the powerful 24-member Politburo, is reportedly back. Sinusuportahan by senior CCP members who are loyal to ex-Chinese President Hu Jintao. So siya ay sinusuportahan ng mga senior Chinese Communist Party members na tapat doon sa kanilang ex-Chinese President o yung nauna pa kay Xi Jinping na Hu Jintao ang pangalan. These members are said to be far less ideologically rigid than the current China president. Ganon. Though Xi continues to hold his many titles, his influence is said to be waning in key sectors. The silence of Chinese state media on Xi Jinping's absence is also telling. Tahimik din ng Chinese media. Is also telling what? These developments come in backdrop of Wang Yang being reportedly groomed as Xi's successors. Wang, a technocrat himself, in 2022 was considered to be a likely contender for top job in China. The removal of generals close to Xi and the return of technocrats like inalis yung mga general na matataas na close o yung malapit kay Xi Jinping. Wang are indications that Xi may slowly being shown the door. Well, pag nagpalit ng liderato mga tol sa China, hindi natin alam kung yan ba ay ikabubuti o mas lalong ikatitindi. Diba? Kasi sa napakahabang panahon, pinalakas ni Xi Jinping etong China mga tol, pinatindi niya yung military niyan. Ngayon kung magpapalit sila, hindi natin alam kung ano magiging policy niyan. Kung ganun ba, kung magiging mas matindi ba siya sa pangaagaw ng mga teritoryo? Mas siya ba ay agresibo sa pagsakop sa Taiwan? Hindi natin alam mga tol. Pero ito yung mga haka-hakat speculation pa lang naman Hindi natin sinasabing ito yung mismong kaganapan ngayon dito. Mga speculations lang to. This isn't the first time China has sidelined its high-profile leaders. Hindi naman ito yung first time lang. Isinantabi nila yung kanilang mga matataas na leader. Ito pinapalabas to binibitbit Interestingly, this happened most recently and publicly with Xi predecessor Hu. Napaalis siya palabas Who in 2022 was dragged out of the Chinese Communist Party's 20th ceremony. Ito nga hinila palabas yung katabi ni Xi Jinping. This occurred as she who was sitting next to Hu remained unmoving. Ito yung predecessor niya sana, no? Nila palabas eh. Who was even seen trying to talk to Xi Jinping but was publicly rebuffed. Sabing ganun. Anong nangyayari? Siguro ganun, no? Tapos hindi, sige na, umalis ka na. So ano sa tingin ninyo mga tol ang nangyayari ngayon dito sa China, no? Ito, ituloy natin mula naman dito sa Wiyon. Tingnan natin baka meron silang ibang report pa. Ano? Xi Jinping's leadership faces fresh speculation of a brewing regime shake-up in China. Rumors swirl after Xi disappeared from public view for nearly 2 weeks in late May and early June. Foreign leaders visiting Beijing were hosted by other top CCP figures, not Xi himself. Chinese state media unusually dropped Xi's official title in a US call report, then quietly corrected it. Xi's meeting with Belarusian President Lukashenko took place informally without the usual state ceremonies. Reports claim several top PLA generals loyal to Xi have been removed. Yun nga, no, inalis daw. Etong balitang to ay July 3. Kahapon, mga tol. Kahapon lang tong report. Xi have been removed. General Zhang Shusha new leads the military. Inalis yung mga top officials na na malapit o close, mga loyal kay Xi Jinping. In a symbolic move, the mausoleum built for Xi's father has been unnamed, raising eyebrows in Beijing. Ganun? There are also speculations of a reduction in Xi's personal security detail. Kumbaga, binawasan din yung seguridad, no? Security detail, reduction. Recently, some Chinese academics have been able to get away with articles critical of Xi. Oh. Former U.S. diplomat Gregory Slayton says Wang Yang could emerge as a possible successor if Xi loses support. No? Kasi dito mga tol, kahit na CCP sila, hindi pa rin si Xi Jinping ang pinaka dyan yung mataas talaga dyan. Pwede siyang alisin Alisan ng dyan ng pwesto kung sakasakali So etong Wang Yang, ang sabi rito ng former US diplomat Gregory Slayton, Wang Yang could emerge as a possible successor if Xi loses support. O kapag wala nang suporta kay Xi Jinping. The CCP's upcoming plenary in August 2025 may reveal if these signs point to real change or just rumors. So ito yung mga lang naman, usap-usapan mga tol. Hindi pa naman natin to na kinukumpirma. Ito yung mula lang naman sa report. Ito mula rito sa Times of India. Kailan ba ito lumabas? Kahapon lang din. July 3. Tapos ito naman sa Wiyon, July 3 din. Lumabas mga tol, etong report na to. So tayo naman ay nagbibigay lang ng reaction. Ano sa tingin ninyo ang nangyari kay Xi Jinping? Siya ba ay aalisin na bilang president ng China o siya ba may sakit at hindi siya nagpapakita mga tol? Ano sa tingin nyo? Comment kayo sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shovel D. Peace out.